Hi guys, good morning. Yeah. So today is a very beautiful day. Um so this madam is protesting. Sorry about the lighting. So today I'm going for a boot camp for business owners and yeah, she's not going with me. So she's just going to drop her off in a crutch this morning and then there. So it's happening at Sheraton and it's going to be very intense. So of course I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to share things that I've learned and everything. Someone's breast. This one wants chop, clean mouth. Right? Chop, chop, clean mouth. Chop, clean mouth. Chop, clean mouth. So yeah, so today's Friday basically. So um yeah.
All the cultural guests like this, every idea that they are bringing. Take picture together, we take inside. Use that with snap.
Talk about stay my brand.
Which brand?
Say which brand?
Yes.
Yeah, you're just a hater. Think everything is all about dirty and you don't even say wife. Me, I'm not even in the question at all. I mean I understand. I'm like want to use me like to score points. Political points. Say I have wife. I have fine baby. I have wife.
Say you don't have a
Like wife stay add to the DC using me and Pascal to be cashing money as conduct. Goes on.
Left. So you were intentional about making that commitment to be here today so that you can learn and take your business to the next level. So the question I'm going to ask you is, why are you yet to be, or why are you still intentional about your health, knowing that your health and you are the only person required to take your business from where it is now to where it ought to be? In as much as you're going to put the processes and everything in place, if anything happens to you today and you have to be stuck in the hospital or something, your business is going to take a halt. So maybe if you want to think about it in that direction, you may just want to say, okay, you know what? I think I need to start doing things differently. Then another question I'd like to ask is, how many of us do a lot of sitting, for the better part of the day? Like you're doing a lot of sitting, like we're sitting and probably throughout today. How many of us? Get to the hospital. The bottom line is to make it accessible to them. And we've embarked on several projects like the Yellow Alert Project, which is basically sensitizing these women to get to the hospital. The bottom line is to make it accessible to them. And we've embarked on several projects like the Yellow Alert Project, which is basically sensitizing these women in hospitals, in rural areas, in so many places. And we partner with on the problems. We have made sure that we emphasize on the problems that mothers face while trying to find treatment for jaundice, and then turning those challenges into solutions for us, for babies in Nigeria. So this is how the pre-background unit works. Let me document for you. Apart from just having the pre-background unit, a lot of babies always have malaria when they're treating them for jaundice because the unit is open and the baby is inside. Mosquitoes come in and just bite the baby at will, and when the baby is cured from jaundice, the baby eventually has malaria, and then they start the treatment all over again. Let's treat baby for malaria, and that's a newborn baby. I should tell you that my son is fine eventually, and
things that in fact, 3 of the things we encountered was that he had skin burn. His skin started peeling seriously when he came out of the crib and going in hospitals, in rural areas, in so many places. And we partner with was always very high. And when you can't control the temperature of a baby, a lot of times it will cause other complications from dehydration to other things. So it was us fighting a lot of battles just because we wanted to treat a condition as simple as neonatal jaundice. So here's how it works. First, the light temperature, definitely, it's not as hot as as the problem we are trying to solve. And this is how we protect the babies from having malaria. And whether a baby has rich parents or poor parents, they are able to access the crib and home phototherapy units. Whether they live in the urban city or in rural areas, we want them to be able to access phototherapy treatments. In Nigeria, there are so many homes where they cater for,